user-defined strategies. This module allows you to create new strategy contracts and submit them as a request for quote. It is made up of 3 sections. First, we have the legs builder in the upper left, the strategy details in the upper right, and the UDS history table underneath. You can create your own custom strategies by defining each leg. Simply use the plus button to add new legs, select the side, the quantity, and input the contracts in order to define a new strategy. If you want to cherry pick contracts from Quotes Monitor or Options Chain, use the circled plus button. Once you press it, your mouse cursor will turn into a crosshair when moved over the rows from these 2 modules. You can use left click to add a buy leg or right click to add sell legs. Once you are finished picking the contracts, you can just click the circle plus button again to disable the crosshair. You can further edit your legs however you want. If you want to apply some template formulas to your custom strategy, just use the menu button on the right. This will bring up your template section. You can apply formulas by clicking on the items, and you can check them to add them to favorites. After you finish defining your strategy, simply click the Request Quote button to confirm the dialog that is next shown, and your UDS should go through. You should get a notification stating that it was added, and also you should see it underneath in the history bar. Optionally, you can use a custom layout with module linking in order to automatically load your custom strategy and a price ladder. In order to obtain this, you will need to open up a UDS module, a Show RFQ module with My RFQs filter activated, and the price ladder. Next, you should use module linking between the Show RFQ and the price ladder module. You can obtain this by using the color code groups. Simply add both modules to the same color code. Next, make sure that your Show RFQ module settings have the Enable Automatic Linking activated. Now we can submit an RFQ. Once we do so, we should see it automatically pop up in the Show RFQ and get linked to the price ladder.